Hello teachers, this is Doug Raleigh, EdTech for Salt Lake City School District. I'm going to show you how to embed a Office 365 document into an assignment. So we're in modules now, and I'll add a new item to my module, and I'm going to add an assignment. And I'll click on New Assignment, and you have to give it a name. So I'll call this LTIO 365, and I'll add the item. And when I do that, it appears at the bottom. It's the last thing in my module. Click on it to get into it. As of yet, there's nothing in this assignment, so I need to edit it. In the text editor, you'll put your assignment details, the information the students need to be successful on your assignment, and I'll scroll down, give it some points, and it's entirely up to you how many. Right here under submission type, this is where we get into it. You're going to choose external tool, and you have to find your external tool from the list, and we're going to use Office 365 Cloud Assignment. You click on it and it's going to connect to my Office 365 account. And if you haven't connected yet, you'll be prompted to do that here. I just want to warn you, you can add any Office 365 document. You can't add things that are not Office 365 documents, even if they're in your OneDrive account, because Microsoft made the LTI and they don't know what to do with documents that aren't part of their tools. So right here, you get back to this screen. It looks like you haven't done anything, but you must click select right here. And you can see the URL has been added. If you want to, you can have this pop into a new window or a new tab. And as always, if you're going to sync this to PowerSchool, you need to check this box, assign it to either everyone in your class or everyone in a section, and it must have a due date. There's some other rules too, but that's pretty much the way it goes. So I'll click Save and Publish. And when this assignment loads, even on my end, you'll see it's connecting to my Office 365 account, and it's recognized it's a Word document, and it loaded it. Now, the students will see it like this, and they will need to click Edit Document in order to edit it. At this point, if you haven't done so already, the students will see in their OneDrive folder, this LTI will have created a folder called Canvas, and then within that folder, there'll be a folder titled the name of your course. And then within that folder, they will see this document. So this creates a unique copy for every single student in the class. They can go in here, they can edit this document, type on it, and it doesn't affect every other copy. It's made a separate copy for each student in the class. So then when they're done, they will submit the assignment as usual, and you will be able to grade these in your speed grader. You will see Canvas takes a snapshot of the document, so you'll be able to annotate it at that time. Okay, hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.